Better is one day in your courts than 1,000 elsewhere. I would rather be a doorkeeper in the house of my God than dwell in the tents of the wicked. Psalm 84, verse 10. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this makeup tutorial because it's a Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial, and this look came out exactly how I wanted it. You know, I was fumbling a bit, but I got there in the end. And yeah, I hope you guys recreate this. If you do, make sure you tag me or message me or DM me on Instagram, everything. So first thing I'm going to do is I've primed, and now I'm going to go into my brows. So for my brows, I'm using the Bperfect precisely my brow pencil. Then I'm going to conceal with the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm just going to blend up my concealer and use this as my eyeshadow base. I'm not going to use a primer today. I'm just going to use my concealer, and I'm just going to blend that out with a brush and then set that with my Mercier translucent setting powder in the shade Honey. For my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the Bperfect Clientele Makeup with Jar. I'm just jumbled that up. It's the Bperfect Makeup with Jar Clientele palette. And I'm just going to use that as my main eyeshadow palette. But I'm going to be using two other palettes. And the two other palettes I'll be using is one is from Chem Beauty and one is from Juvias Place. Everything will be in the description box down below. So the first shade I'm going to use is this peachy toned type shade. And it's pretty light, but then it blends everything together, trust me. This is going to be my transition shade. It's a very light pink. Then I'm going to go on top with a darker pink, but it's not too dark, but it's a darker pink, and this was much more visible, you can see. And then I'm going to go with my Chem Beauty palette and take another pink, which is more dark than the shade I used before. So this is 3 shades of pink that I've used in my crease, and I'm just going to use that to deepen my crease. Then I'm going to go in with a light color for my lid, which is like a nudie pink type shade. Then I'm going to go on top with a shimmer. All of these shades that I use are from the Chem Beauty palette, but then the only shades that are from the Makeup with Jar palette is my transition shade and my first crease shade. You could leave your look at this point. You could leave it like this. I didn't mean leave the house, but I meant leave it at this point and not do anything more to the eyes. But I wanted to add something that's going to make it pop. So I went in with some vibrant purple eyeshadow from my Juvias Place Warrior Free palette. And I'm just going to use that as a liner. I'm going to take a very small brush, dip it into my eyeshadow and just pat that along my lash line and then create a wing. I'm going to go with my black eyeshadow and a very, very tiny brush. And I'm going to take that black eyeshadow and basically outline the bottom line of that wing that I've just created. And this is just going to give that purple a bit more character, you know, a bit more definition, a bit more depth, and it's just going to blend more nicely with my lashes as well. Next, I'm just going to pop on my lashes by Nahlocosmetics, and this is in the style Morocco. For my face, I'm using the Nars Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shades Macao and Marquises mixed together. And I'm going to go in with my Fawn concealer by Elegant Pro Concealer, and I'm going to use Fawn and then go on top with Pure Beige just to brighten that under eye. Then I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution F16.5 foundation, and that is the Conceal and Glow foundation. Then I'm going to go in with my brush and blend out my contour, then blend out my highlight. After I blend out my highlight, I'm going to go in with my Mercier setting powder, and I'm going to set just to lock everything in, and then I'm going to bake. But before I bake, I'm going to bronze with my cream bronzer by Zoeva Cosmetics in the shade 0.6. I'm going to go back into my eyes, and I'm going to use my transition shade, and I'm going to use that on my bottom lash line. This is really going to bring the look the eyes together. And then I'm going to dust everything off, well, not everything but my under eyes, and go in with my Roxy blush palette. And I'm going to take these 2 shades and apply it to my cheeks, then dust the rest off. I'll be using 2 setting sprays. The first one's by Makeup Revolution, and it's the Gold Fix setting spray, and the second one is by Benefit, and it is the poreless setting spray. And the second one really just locked your makeup in place, and the first one just gives me a nice radiant glow. So now I'm going to apply my mascara, and this mascara is by Smashbox, and it is the Full Exposure mascara. And then I go on top with the Bad Girl Bang mascara, because I really like the applicator brush and it really gets all my bottom lashes. For my lips, I'm using the Beautyforever Dark Brown True Kohl pencil, and it's a lip and eyeliner pencil. I got this from Hair Shop for like £1. Okay, and then I'm going to apply my First Day lip gloss by Missguided Beauty. I'm just gonna merge those 2 shades together to create a nice nude. And I did apply my highlight off camera. Apologies guys, my camera died. This is the end of the tutorial. If you made it to this point, you are a real MVP. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you do happen to recreate this look for your Valentine's or for yourself, make sure you tag me on Instagram or send me pictures on Instagram. I would love to see it. I hope you enjoyed this look. I enjoyed creating it. So yeah, we've got pepper dome this Valentine's, lockdown or not. I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up.